Hi guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make Cajun chicken. So easy, yet so delicious. If you want to see it, stay tuned and let's get started. To get started, I am using 2 chicken breasts. Now you can cook them as a whole or you can slice them down in the middle. For me, I am going to cut them into strips. That's what I wanted to do, so that's what I am going to do. Just cut them into strips, okay? Once you're done cutting your chicken, we're going to start making the Cajun seasoning. I am using pepper, garlic, oregano, I believe that was cumin, with some onion powder, paprika. I'm not using cayenne pepper. I don't want it to be too spicy. Now I added the oregano with a little bit of chili powder, okay? That's what I want. I didn't add any pepper, dry pepper flakes, because I don't want it to be spicy, or cayenne pepper, okay? Once I am done, I am going to pour my seasoning all over the chicken, mix it together until everything is well combined. I am going to let it sit for about 15 minutes, let it rest in the fridge, just so my chicken can be nice and tasty. Now, moving on, in the skillet here, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Then once that is melted, I am going to add my chicken strips on there. Okay. Once one side is nice and golden brown and cooked, I am going to flip it over and cook the other side. I'll say I cook it for about 5 minutes per side, just to be sure. You don't want to eat any uncooked chicken now, okay? Next, I am going to remove my chicken, place it in a foil. Then I'll be adding some green, yellow, and red bell pepper in there just for some flavor. We're going to bake it for 5 minutes. This is pretty optional. You don't really have to do it if you don't want to, okay? And then we're going to cover it, place it in the fridge on 350 for about 5 minutes. Once the chicken is out, boom, you have your chicken ready. You can eat it with a side of couscous, side of rice, side of salad, whatever you prefer to eat your chicken with. Basically, that's it. It turns out so delicious, so good, okay? It's quick, it's easy. Trust me, you'll get this done in less than 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. Be sure you give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.